A man serving life without parole after being convicted of a 1997 murder will remain in prison for now. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
I'm Jessica Cartalia. CBS News Philadelphia reporter Marcela Bayeto has been covering the case of Tyree Wallace. She brings us the latest from today's hearing.
It's the first day that since the 90s for Tyree, since he was a teenager, that he hasn't gone to bed with a life sentence hanging over his head.
After serving 26 years in prison, Tyree Wallace's original conviction was vacated by a judge on Monday after he pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit third-degree murder in connection with a Point Breeze murder in the late 90s. The conviction could lead to a 20 to 40-year sentence.
I think this is a day where justice was given in doses.
No cameras were allowed inside the Center City Courthouse, but we saw a packed room filled with friends, family, and activists. They waited for Wallace's hearing after his lawyers filed a petition asking for relief from his conviction. His lawyers, Keir Bradford Gregg and David Perry, argue Wallace is innocent, and witnesses who provided testimony against him have recanted.
I'm optimistic that down the line, more things will come out that will help him get the justice that he actually deserves. But right now, this is a step towards that.
Many within the community were expecting Wallace to be exonerated and walk out as a free man. Ultimately, the judge felt there was not enough evidence for exoneration.
We moved him out in a little bit today, and we're not finished yet.
According to court documents, in October of 1997, when Wallace was 19 years old, he was convicted of murdering a South Philly deli owner. Wallace has used his time in prison to create two nonprofits supporting incarcerated and wrongfully accused prisoners.
He didn't wait to be a free man to serve the community.
Well, we are really looking to walk him out of this courthouse on September, and that's the goal.
We have reached out to the district attorney's office for more information, but have not heard back. According to the judge, Wallace is due back in court right here on September 18th, and that's when we will learn more about his sentencing. In Center City, Marcela Bayeto, CBS News, Philadelphia.